Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to find your laptop's unique serial number in less than a minute. First, click the search bar on your Windows and type command prompt, then open it. Inside the command prompt, type WMIC BIOS get serial number, then press enter. But in my case, I got this message. WMIC is not recognized as internal or external command. That's because WMIC or Windows Management Instrumentation command line was removed from some version of Windows 11. But don't worry, there's another way. Go to Google and search how to find serial number on laptop Acer. I type Acer because my laptop is from Acer, or you can type your own brand. Then just look at the image guide shown on the result. Usually, you'll find your serial number on the bottom part of your laptop or inside the battery compartment. And that's it. You've now learned how to safely find your laptop serial numbers. Reminder, don't share your serial number online. It's unique to your device and used for warranty and tech support.